how our clubs, our teams are using big data to improve, to increase our level on the pitch. So MediaCoach is a project that was born in 2010, and from then to now, we can have a look to the success of our clubs in the international competitions. For example, in the Champions League, we have 5 times winners in 8 years, and we have in the Europa League we have 4-time winner Sevilla and 1-time winner Atletico Madrid. So there is a direct relationship between how we use data and the success of our football in the international competitions. So the first thing that you need to know is that our clubs share all the data together. First and second division, LaLiga Santander, LaLiga 1-2-3. So the biggest club is sharing the data, all the data, tracking data and eventing with a club in second division. And we improve as a league, not team by team. Okay? It's something that we're really proud about it. So, how MediaCoach works? We have 2 boxes or 3 cameras in each stadium, 42 stadiums, with these boxes that we're going to watch now. These boxes, okay. There are 3 cameras and 2 operators in each stadium that are correcting the optical system, the tracking system, when the cameras can lose a player. For example, in a corner kick, that they are all together, and when the play is finished and every player is going to his position, maybe the camera is losing someone, so they correct the position and the ball too. So we provide to all the teams 3 kinds of tools. First one, a real-time tool called MediaCoach Live. It's an app for tablets and smartphones that provides physical, tactical, and technical data in real time, only 18 seconds from the pitch. So a coach can be watching the game on the pitch and then to check what is happening with the data, with the information on the tablet. Okay? Every team can have access to this information in the stadium and outside. So you can, you don't, but a coach can stay at home checking what is happening in any game. The other one is MediaCoach Desktop. It's after the game tool. So we provide different video sources that we mix with tracking data and eventing data. So they can make their own playlist with clips. It's everything cut. So you can make that a 90-minute game, can reduce or to in small clips, small productions of 1, 2, 3 minutes. Then you can export and to show and to put on a TV to show to the players, to send to as a video report to the coach. And the last one that we provide is a website called MediaCoach Portal. That when every game is finished, we provide the different videos that we have, the panoramic, the TV, and the tactical, and they can also download different kind of reports, tactical and technical ones, post games on the teams and the players, and also a physical report of the players and the teams too. So it's important to remember that we share the information. So at any time, any club, any team have access to the information of any other club, any other team. Okay. Let me show you how the tools work. Here we have MediaCoach Live. If the Wi-Fi works, I'm sure it's when. Okay, here they have a virtual recreation of the game, and they can choose different cameras that are virtual recreation, but they can choose different ones, and they can put different information here. So now we're watching the tactical lines. We can disable them, and we can put information of any player to monitorize the performance of the players and the teams. So imagine that we have a player that is coming from an injury, and we need to know if he is arriving to the maximum level that is now available to do in a game after an injury. So we can know the distance, the speed he's running, and to control their behavior, how they are playing on the pitch. So we can also put tactical lines, like those one, okay, and to know how is the team playing, the lines between the distance between lines, and also the total distance between the teams. And we can compare both teams. So we can disable this and put this both. And we have here. Okay. And this information is also only 18 seconds from the pitch. They use on the bench always. Okay. And the other one that we were talking about is this one, MediaCoach desktop. Okay, here we have 4 video sources. Tactical, that it's unique in the world because here in Spain the clubs also share a tactical video that the shot is just what they need to analyze the game, from the last defense to the last forward. Okay? And this video is also calibrated, so we can draw, we can use the tracking tools on it. Also the panoramic one with all the pitch, the radar, and the TV video. Okay, this is the only one that is not calibrated because it's with the short shots and all. So we can make a playlist with all the corner kicks of Real Madrid, for example, set plays. We have here in the timeline all the corner kicks, and we can save all together or one by one. So if I save them, in my clips list, I have all the corner kicks, so I can export as a production.
How long does it take to train the coaches to use the software?
To train,
It's quite complex.
every training session is for me 9 hours in each club.
Right.
I spend a whole day there, and then they have a remote support from us. They can call or write by email, or maybe I can connect by TeamViewer to show something that they still don't know. But in 9 hours, I can show to use the different tools. It's not really complicated because at last is everything cut. So if they know how the events are named, so they can find easily. Okay.
And is it unique to LaLiga?
This is those tools. There are not all the leagues that have them.
Yeah.
They, for example, in England, in Germany, they have the same tracking system, but they don't have the tools. So they provide the data, but they don't have any tools how to work with it.
Yeah.
So La Liga is the only one league in the world that provides, and the real time tool, MediaCoach Live, is it's unique in the world. In fact, FIFA is really interested to get it, provide to all the national teams and the federations. It's time for me.